Welcome to Compare to Win. The best dining extension table is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving pieces of furniture you can add to your home, especially if you love to entertain or have a growing family. Imagine effortlessly transforming your cozy dining nook into a spacious banquet hall for holiday gatherings or expanding your workspace for a big project, all with a simple adjustment. These ingenious tables are designed to adapt to your needs, offering flexibility without compromising on style or stability, making them a smart investment for any modern household seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. Plank+Beam 72-inch Farmhouse Dining Table. Experience the premium look and durability of this solid wood dining table. Its non-toxic finishes ensure it complements your healthy living space. This piece is perfect as a kitchen or dinner table, and also works wonderfully as a large desk for your office or a spacious table for your living room. Enjoy the elegant farmhouse design with clean lines and a beautiful wire brush finish. It creates a stunning setting for all your meals and gatherings. Setting up this table is a breeze. It conveniently ships in one box and includes all the necessary hardware, tools, and easy-to-follow instructions. This large table measures 72 inches long, 36 inches wide, and 30 inches high, providing ample space for your needs. What we like? This table is crafted from solid wood, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Its rustic farmhouse design adds warmth to any dining space. If you're looking for a sturdy, long-lasting table with a classic aesthetic and appreciate straightforward assembly, this is a fantastic choice for your family gatherings. What people say? It feels sturdy and provides great extra seating. It feels really sturdy and well made, and it fits a good amount of kids without taking up a ton of space. Super easy to put together too, had it set up in 30 minutes. Very spacious, perfect for 6 chairs, and the material feels sturdy and durable. We've had it for about 5 months now and it's still in great shape, no issues at all. Number 4. Signature Design by Ashley Moriville Dining Extension Table. Discover a dining room extension table that perfectly blends casual rustic style with farmhouse charm. Its clean lines and distressed nutmeg finish bring a unique warmth to your home. Expertly crafted from rubber wood solids and acacia veneer, this table boasts a beautiful planked effect top. It's designed to be a stunning centerpiece for years to come. Effortlessly host larger gatherings with its 2 convenient extension leaves. This table easily seats up to 8 people, ensuring everyone has ample space. Measuring 36 inches wide and extending up to 86 inches deep, it offers generous surface area. Adjust the size with one or both leaves to perfectly suit your needs. Setting up your new dining table is a breeze with the included instructions, tools, and hardware. Enjoy its rustic elegance and functional design in no time. What we like? This extension table is designed to comfortably seat up to 8 people, thanks to its 2 convenient extension leaves. The distressed nutmeg finish and planked effect top add a charming rustic touch. If you frequently host larger gatherings or need a table that can expand to accommodate extra guests, this is the perfect solution for your dining room. What people say? It is a very big table with all the leaves installed. It is quite heavy and stable. The table is very heavy, sturdy, was tightly packed and we assembled it ourselves. No horrible wobbly, unsteady nightmare, this table is stunning, hale and hardy. The table is very sturdy, solid and strong. It's a great size which fits perfectly in my limited dining area. Number 3. Ashley Realyn Oval Dining Room Extension Table. Your charming dining space awaits with this versatile table, perfect for any kitchen or bistro setting. Its convenient drop-in leaf easily accommodates extra guests, making entertaining a breeze. Expertly crafted from durable veneers, wood, and engineered wood, this piece is built to last. The included extension leaf allows for effortless expansion. Simply pull both ends and insert the leaf. Admire the exquisite details, where a natural oak tone top beautifully complements the distressed white finish. This design embodies the very best of French country-inspired style. This round table comfortably seats up to 6 people. It effortlessly transforms from an intimate setting to a generously sized oval, perfect for hosting dinner parties. Assembly is straightforward with easy-to-follow instructions, tools, and hardware all included. You'll have your beautiful new table ready in no time. What we like? This dining table offers a charming cottage-inspired aesthetic with its antique two-tone finish and oval shape. It easily extends with a drop-in leaf to accommodate up to 6 people. If you love French country style and need a versatile table that can transition from intimate dinners to hosting a few extra guests, this piece will beautifully enhance your dining area. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made, with a beautiful finish that complements my dining room decor. It was easy to assemble, and the extension leaf is simple to insert and remove, making it perfect for hosting guests. The size is just right for my small apartment, but it can expand to accommodate more people when needed. Number 2. Best Choice Products Folding Dining Table, White. Discover the ultimate in adaptability. This piece effortlessly transforms to suit your needs, whether for dining, working, or crafting. Crafted from high-quality engineered wood and metal, it's designed for durability. Enjoy a reliable surface that can support up to 100 pounds. Keep your essentials organized with convenient side cubbies and multiple shelves. It's the perfect spot for everything from silverware to extra plates. Moving it around is a breeze thanks to the built-in wheels. A sturdy handle makes it easy to maneuver and store when not in use. Its clever, space-saving design makes it a perfect fit for smaller homes. The tabletop securely locks in place, open or closed, for added stability. What we like. This table is incredibly versatile, functioning as a dining table, desk, or side table, and it features a space-saving folding design with wheels for easy movement. It also boasts convenient storage shelves for your essentials. If you live in a smaller space, need a multifunctional piece, or want the flexibility to easily move and store your table, this is an excellent, adaptable option. What people say. Can be set up quickly when family comes to visit. Seating 4 comfortably, 6 people is a little tight but works well. Very sturdy, you can put your elbows on it while playing cards. The storage underneath is spacious. Dishes, cans, place settings. Wheels are sturdy and have brakes so the table doesn't slip. Glides across tile well. High quality table. Great storage, sturdy, tucks away easily, attractive. The middle shelf is peg adjustable up or down at 3 pre-drilled levels, and a set cubby to place other small things in it is a neat feature. The functional storage is overall a huge plus. Compared to storing a typical folding card table, you still can place things on and in it when collapsed. Straightforward to assemble in a few hours. Surprisingly okay leg room. Number 1. Signature design by Realyn French Country Dining Extension Table. Bon appetit. Gather around this beautiful dining extension table, perfect for creating a French country-inspired feast for your eyes and your guests. Expertly crafted from veneer, wood, and engineered wood, it features an antique two-tone finish that adds timeless charm to your dining space. With its included extension leaf, this table comfortably seats up to 8 people, making it ideal for family gatherings and dinner parties. Its cottage-inspired design brings a touch of rustic elegance to any home. This piece truly has all the right ingredients for a delightful dining experience. Measuring 42 inches wide and extending to 96 inches deep with the leaf, it offers ample space for any occasion. Without the leaf, it measures 78 inches deep. Assembly is straightforward with easy-to-follow instructions, tools, and hardware all included, so you can enjoy your new table in no time. What we like. This dining table embodies a beautiful French country-inspired aesthetic and is generously sized to seat up to 8 people with its extension leaf. Its antique two-tone finish adds a touch of rustic elegance. If you're drawn to charming cottage designs and frequently entertain larger groups, this table provides both style and ample seating for your feasts. What people say. It came really well packaged with no damage. It is really heavy and the delivery guys would only bring it to the front door. They are not allowed to come into the house. So have someone strong to help you bring it in. I love the distressed look on the legs and the pattern on the top. Leaf went in and out with no problems. It will also seat 10 easily if you have some smaller profile chairs. Solid and worth it are understatements. This table is heavy and well made but extremely easy to assemble. The size with the leaf is exactly perfect for 8 guests, but no more. Because of its square shape, it has ample room in the center for lots of dishes. We purchased this on Prime Day, so it was extremely affordable and at a price point that was hard to pass up. One of the best aspects of this table is that it has been super easy to clean. And with 4 children, you can imagine the spills, food stains, slime, and other messes that get left behind after a long day of activities. Assembly was extremely simple, and the table is very hardy as well. Just make sure you have assistance moving, lifting, and flipping it once the legs are on. This bad boy has some weight to it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.